It's just like you.
Does he?
Yeah.
Oh, I can't see him through here.
Yeah. Is he okay down there? Yes.
Alright.
It was okay.
Don't tell.
You can tell.
What's that?
She did.
Oh.
Because she doesn't want us opening this right now because she had to take blood from us. Oh. Looks like he's got blue eyes.
You think?
Yeah. Hey there. He has my eyes.
He's got your eyes, he's got your face.
He has your nose though. You think?
Is it yours?
He has your ears.
He's got yours.
He has your ears.
No, really. He really does. They're just like big, but like they're your like...
They're my shape but your size.
Yeah.
He's so hairy like you.
It's not hairy, you're hairy.
Oh, baby.
Did I get hairy?
Yeah. Well, he likes my hair because he's so small. Yeah.
Oh.
I'll grow out of it. Just like, listen. He's so cute. He's your skin color, not even mine at all. He looks like both of us.
Oh, they got a blanket on him.
Does he have forehead and hair?
Oh, these like his little footprints or no?
Yeah, those are his.
Those are his?
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Uh-huh.
Dude, that's crazy.
We get to keep him and go on his baby.
These are his extra footprints?
Yeah.
No way.
Yeah. Both of them. Those are the other ones in the corner.
Oh, really? You get to keep both papers?
Yeah.
Awesome.
They're gonna put his name on here though. I think. Right there, little guy. I wanna see his nose. He's got your nose.
No, he really has yours. He's got like pointy, but like
But
mine.
it's like yours,
Yeah.
yeah. I told you that's how Canada was it. Oh, is that a little book? She said it looked like you too.